Also, I was gonna say you're really pretty. Oh my god!
Because we're about to be late, like usual. It's gonna be really scary.
Job news. Oh my god. What did she say?
Mercy, don't touch my toes.
Hi.
Baba.
Huh?
Very well with photo.
Oh, you wanna wear this one? You wanna wear and this one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Alright, let's get pants. Okay? Pants for Nunu. So he said this is what he wanna wear. You said there's a shirt missing. You excited for school, Nunu? Or am I asking you a question? Good job, Baba. You're doing so good. Up high, one more. Thank you, Baba. Good job, Nunu. Oh my. Put on some socks.
Maya, do you want socks?
Wow.
So, just now, yeah.
Yeah, like in Gavi, it's no longer first day.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Okay, hold on. Let me put them on foot down.
You got your socks? Okay, Mama.
Yeah.
Mercy, don't touch my toes. And my papa can saw the head of Billy.
Okay, don't worry. I'm not going to touch it, okay?
Okay, bye.
Hold on. Just put this coconut. Coconut on foot.
Is coconut?
Coconut.
What's my head, Mama?
Huh?
What's my head?
Your head?
Yeah.
The other foot. Put that down. You know,
Yeah. I need some.
you can put some on camera. Okay, let's brush your hair so it can be nice.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
So that's my head.
I'll show them your outfit.
Middle school is ready. Yeah. What do you think? This is my back.
Oh, let me see the back.
They look pretty.
Let me see the back. Wait, you guys put your shoes on. Did you pray? Exactly. Remember, we have to pray. Also, we need to hurry because this Fajr is almost going to be over.
I didn't even take glasses.
I told you guys multiple times. Make wudu. OMG. Please go make wudu. Prayer first.
That is a hard schedule.
Come. No, it's not. You make wudu first when you're brushing your teeth. Then you put on your clothes. Let me see. Your other foot. We have to pray first, okay? We gotta pray first, and then you can put on the phone.
Guys, so we're going to school, and it's gonna be really scary because I already saw my teacher, and yeah, she's new. And my old teacher is a tour guide. So yeah, I miss my old teacher, and I have a new teacher. So yeah, see ya.
Okay, get your salad.
You have to wait, guys. Okay.
A little bit tilted, people.
There.
You want to put yours over there next one, Bob?
لا تأخذه سنة ولا نوم له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض ولا يحيطون بشيء من علمه إلا بما شاء.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الله لا إله إلا هو الحي القيوم لا تأخذه سنة ولا نوم له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض من ذا الذي يشفع عنده إلا بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل أعوذ برب الفلق
أسمو وأجتاز السماء جلالا فأزيد أسراب الغيوم جمالا وألون الدنيا بأجمل بسمة وأكون للخير العميم مثالا أسمو وأجتاز السماء جلالا فأزيد أسراب الغيوم جمالا وألون بسمة وأكون للخير العميم مثالا وأراقب
Mama said don't use her expensive perfume. So we're gonna put on perfume. I wonder which perfume I should put on, guys. But so I'm thinking that she should use this one. But I'm going to 3rd grade.
Yeah, she's going to 3rd grade. What grade are you going to?
5th.
6th. Let's go. We're gonna go to school because we're about to be late, like usual. We're always late, so yeah. No, we're always late. Right. First day back to school and we're gonna be late.
That's what I just told you.
Yeah. We cannot be trusted.
My perfume's gonna go away. Scott, it's gonna go I said I want the milk. Look at what you guys give me.
His hands just popping off.
Look at this.
I feel like I should have put a sweater on your nose.
Oh, my stuff.
Like a jacket.
Oh my gosh, that's very stop hitting me.
We already done started.
Riley.
I'm not even gonna find a spot on Quita. I'm not gonna find a spot. I'm over here playing with my original spot. Don't play with me. My original spots. Let's go.
Oh, we're going all together? Yes.
Okay, I'm not taking you guys inside because I ain't got that kind of confidence. So I'm gonna just use my phone. Hello, my lovelies. So let me update you guys. My kids do not care. My kindergartner, I took him to his class and he was basically like, okay, mommy, I'm so excited. He's been saying that since yesterday, like when we went for the orientation. Like he's just been saying how excited he is. But yeah, like I just dropped him off. He went into the class, very chill, very like, I don't care. And he was like, bye. I was like, okay. I was like, okay. But yeah, that was that. I can't believe like he's in kindergarten. Like, okay, oh my god, let me show you guys. Just yesterday, this was his shoe. I actually just found these randomly at my mom's house. But anyway, look at his shoe. Look at how tiny this shoe was. Okay, this was like a number 8. And now he's wearing a 12, bro. And he's going to kindergarten. That's so crazy. But anyway, that's Yunus. And then the 6th grade, the other one's like, you know, the other one is going to third grade, and the other one is going to 5th grade. I dropped them off. The 6th grader also didn't hear. She was like, yeah, I dropped her off, and then she had to pick up her schedule, whatever. She saw her friends and she was like, you can go, mom. I was like, okay, let me just leave. But yeah, that was the drop off. It was very like chill. I don't know why I thought it was gonna be like a hectic thing. It was like very chill. I was so thankful that Yunus actually like did not throw like a tantrum, because this is a new school. He's been at that other school for like 3 years. So just imagine. So now he's in this school. Like he went to this school. I was kind of worried like he might be confused and wonder why he's there. But honestly, he adapted very quickly. I don't know, that boy just don't care. So alhamdulillah for that. But now I'm already at the park. You guys, I told you guys that I was gonna go on a walk right after this. I need to get back to my my routine, like my proper routine, because like the whole summer it was actually like really hard for me to go to the gym due to the fact that my kids are in the house and my mom lives kind of far from me. So it's like I didn't want to drive to my mom's house every single time I needed to go on a walk or to the gym, like, and then drive to the gym. It's like it was too much. I was wasting my gas. So I didn't do that. So I barely walked out the whole summer, and then I was really lazy, so I didn't even do like house workout, nothing. Like, you guys, I don't added a few pounds, and that's a no-no. And I have things coming up, so I need to be a little bit fit. But yeah, so I'm at the park already. I'm gonna take off this abaya, like I said, so that way like I can go ahead and get to this walking, because it's looking a bit cloudy. I hope it doesn't rain. Like I really hope it doesn't rain on me. Like I don't got time, because it's a bit chilly. Like it's not really sunny. So imagine like it just starts raining. Like I feel like I might get sick. So that would not be funny. That would not be cool. We just started school. Also, the mornings have been real crispy. They've been really chill. I love that, especially for me going on a walk. Like I fell in love with walking because of like this season, like during fall season, when the morning like it's very cold and crispy, and then you're walking and like the air is just hitting you in the face, so it's like kind of cooling you down as you're getting hot. I love that, and that's the weather that is giving right now, and I'm so happy about it. Like I'm so happy. Okay guys, let's do this. Let's get on this walk. Let me show you guys my outfit properly, because I feel like last time I didn't even get to see it like this. Okay, let me put you guys back in my purse. Bye bye. Okay, so I just finished with my walk. It was okay. At the end there, like my legs started hurting, like my hips area like started hurting like kind of bad, but we did it. It was only, let me see, it was basically 28 minutes, so what, 30-ish I would say. Yeah, I don't think that's bad at all. That's not bad at all for first day. I really wanted to go do this like twice. Let me put you guys over here. I wanted to do this like twice, but honestly, I didn't want to do too much since it's the first day, which made like I was correct because my hips were already hurting. I couldn't imagine myself doing this again the second time. So yeah, that's that. And then too, like I have to go do like deep cleaning to prepare for fall. I literally am gonna decorate tomorrow, inshallah. Today I'm gonna try to clean everything and take out all my fall decorations out, so that way like I can clean tomorrow. I mean, I can go ahead and decorate tomorrow. So today I need to go ahead and like deep clean the house. That's what I need to do. So that's what's waiting for me at home. I was like, I don't want to exhaust myself. I came to Xfinity because I needed to do something, but they're still closed. They're not open till 10. So I'm gonna go to 7 Brew. Is that what this is called? Yeah, I'm gonna go to 7 Brew. I only came here once when they were doing the samples when they first opened. This is a new cafe. That was like months ago, but I want to go ahead and kind of like try it. I've been hearing good things about it, so, and I can't have Starbucks because duh, if you know, you oughta know. Pick the shortest lane. Okay, well, this, I don't know which one is short, but we just gonna wing it. Anyway, so yeah, it's 7 Brew coffee, whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and try it. I wonder if they have like pumpkin spice latte. Like I said, I've never been here before. This will be my first time like buying coffee. Last time I had a sample, so I'm kind of like excited. I don't even know what I'm gonna get. Like, I'm not really a coffee drinker. I just want to keep like things that taste festival and like fun and sweet. I say, I don't even know what I'm gonna get, honestly. I'm gonna ask her what she recommends, I guess. The girl that's like doing the drive-through is so pretty. She has a clean girl aesthetic, and I love it for her.
Hi, how are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good too, thank you for asking. What's a good number for you? Wonderful. And what can I get you started today?
Ooh, I don't know. It's my first time.
It's your first time here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you guys have, do you have pumpkin spice by chance?
Pumpkin spice? Not yet.
Not yet.
Okay. I'm waiting to.
Had to ask.
I know everyone that's asking. I'm like, I promise I'm counting my days. I can't wait. Hopefully soon. I know for sure by September.
Yeah.
We'll have them.
Okay, it's not that far.
But closest fall flavors we have is like brown sugar cinnamon is really good. Toasted marshmallow. We have a cookie butter.
What do you
honey
recommend?
bun.
What's your favorite?
My favorite is a cinnamon roll with cookie butter, but I've been wanting to try a blondie with honey bun. Like it's like honey and like chocolate, and it's like, I don't know. But the cinnamon roll with cookie butter is normally what I
That
get.
sounds nice. Let's try that.
Today? What size today?
The smallest, because since I'm just trying it.
Perfect. And then ice is fine?
Yes.
Perfect. And then, do you want it like extra sweet or any cold foam or caramel drizzle?
Cold foam.
Cold foam. Perfect. They should have that out shortly for you.
Okay, thank you. And also, I was gonna say you're really pretty.
Thank you so much. You're so sweet. Thank you so much.
Double forward.
Yep, you can go right up there and then just get your drink right out.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Okay, let's try this boy. It smells so good. Like, one thing about me, I don't really care for drinking coffee, but I love the smell of coffee. And I did notice this last time I was here. This coffee place like smells so freaking good, and their coffee is like the actual like nice coffee. Like, it smells nice, it tastes nice. But yeah, this is my drink. This is what it looked like. Let me take a little video, y'all. Let me take a little video. I need to wait. I'm a content creator. I will play with her. Let me take a photo first, I guess. I need to post on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on my Instagram. It's the same name as I use here. It's just Albai Musa. I am very consistent lately over there. I post all the cute things, aesthetic things. Okay. I should have had like cinnamon like on the top of this. It's okay. Next time I know. No wahala. Excited. Okay, let me try it. Oh my god. Oh my god. What did she say? What the heck? Oh, I'm so glad I was recording. I need to go back and figure out what this was. Because what? Alhamdulillah for this new coffee shop, bro. Like, I didn't used to like go to Starbucks that much, but I did have like their pumpkin spice and like, you know, and the regular coffee thing, and it used to be so good. So like, but I was more than happy to cancel that boy. Okay, but I'm happy that we have this cafe, because like we don't really have anything like really good, you know, like there's Dunkin's and stuff, but I never found those good. Like, I am very particular about the coffee. Like I said, I don't drink coffee like that, but I love the smell of coffee, and I'm very particular about coffee. This right here, I've been sleeping and trust and believe I'm gonna be here every freaking day. I'm gonna be here every day, okay? Oh my god! What is happening? This is so good. I'm overreacting, yes, but because this is so good. Like, I can't wait to taste their pumpkin spice. Like, if this is how they're like, you know, brown sugar, brown butter, whatever you call it, like if this is how this coffee tastes, I just cannot wait to taste their pumpkin spice. And I'm so glad like it's around the corner. She said probably around September. They better hurry it up. They better hurry it up. But yeah, inshallah, I'm so excited, like legit so excited, because I can tell like that pumpkin spice from there is gonna hit. It's gonna hit.